Welcome to the blame game. Whose fault is it anyway? This week we discuss handling warranty claims. As an automotive service advisor, one of your key responsibilities is handling and navigating warranty claims. Warranty claims can be complex and time-consuming, requiring careful navigation of procedures to ensure a satisfactory resolution for both customers and your shop. In today's video, we will explore the intricacies of warranty claims and provide you with valuable insights to streamline the process and deliver excellent customer service. Understanding warranty coverage. To effectively handle warranty claims, it is crucial to have a comprehensive understanding of the warranty coverage provided by the manufacturer or supplier. Familiarize yourself with the warranty terms and conditions, including the duration, mileage limitations, and specific components covered. This knowledge will enable you to accurately determine if a customer's concern falls within the warranty coverage and proceed accordingly. Documenting customer complaints. When a customer brings their vehicle for warranty-related concerns, it is essential to gather all pertinent information. Pay careful attention to the customer's complaint, noting specific details such as symptoms, occurrences, and relevant timestamps. Thoroughly document these details to provide an accurate description when submitting the warranty claim or passing it off to the technician for inspection. Verify warranty eligibility. Before initiating a warranty claim, verify the customer's eligibility for warranty coverage. Confirm that the vehicle is still within the warranty period and has not exceeded any mileage limitations. Additionally, check for any exclusions or limitations mentioned in the warranty documentation. This step will help prevent potential claim rejections and save time for both the customer and your shop. Communicate warranty procedures to customers. Warranty claims can be confusing for customers, leading to frustration and misunderstandings. Take the time to explain the warranty claim process to customers in a clear and concise manner. Inform them about the necessary steps, estimated timelines, and any potential out-of-pocket expenses. Transparent communication builds trust and helps manage customer expectations. When explaining the value of the original purchase, take the time to explain the warranty to the customer and answer any questions they may have. Follow manufacturers' or suppliers' guidelines. Each manufacturer and supplier has its own specific warranty claim procedures. Familiarize yourself with these guidelines and adhere to them meticulously. Ensure that all required documentation, such as repair orders, diagnostic reports, and parts invoices, are completed accurately and submitted within the specified timeframes. By following the manufacturer's or supplier's guidelines, you increase the chances of a successful warranty claim. Advocate for your customers. As a service advisor, it is your role to be an advocate for your customers. While following the warranty claim procedures, ensure that the customer's concerns are addressed promptly and satisfactorily. Maintain open lines of communication with both the customer and the warranty administrator, providing regular updates on the claim's progress. Effective advocacy will strengthen customer loyalty and satisfaction. Continuous training and learning. The automotive industry is dynamic, with manufacturers frequently updating warranty procedures and guidelines. To stay ahead, invest in continuous training and learning opportunities for yourself and your team. Attend manufacturer-sponsored training sessions and stay updated with the latest warranty bulletins and announcements. This proactive approach will enhance your knowledge base and enable you to handle warranty claims more efficiently. Handling warranty claims can be a challenging aspect of your role as an automotive service advisor. However, with a solid understanding of warranty coverage, meticulous documentation, adherence to procedures, and excellent customer communication, you can navigate the complexities of warranty claims successfully. By ensuring smooth and satisfactory resolutions for both customers and your shop, you will contribute to the overall reputation and success of your shop.
Thanks for joining us. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as well as follow our other platforms for valuable content to help your shop reach its greatest potential.